Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Interior Ideas. In this channel I showcase all things beautiful. I hope my videos are helpful to you. Today I am showcasing beautiful door handles and latches. I was pleasantly surprised to see such lovely beautiful handles and latches available in the market today. There is a huge variety of handles and latches in the market today. They are powder coated ones, bronze handles, stainless steel handles. They are also golden Italian handles. Some come with inbuilt locking systems. I am sure you will like them just as I did. If you're interested in buying any of these products, please click the link below in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do take good care of yourselves. God bless you. Thanks for watching.